Are you learning English for a long time and still you are not able to make simple sentence? Then stop waiting for the perfect time to speak English. Start today with me. Hi guys, this is Rutuja and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. So, I'm going to tell you that what should we exactly do to speaking English. If you are a beginner and you think that you understand English, but when it's time to speak, you just don't know how to say and what to say, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm gonna tell you which things that if you do, then your English will improve. So watch this video till the end. I'm not going to tell you that you should learn so much grammar, you should know every rules about English, you will learn, memorize tons of vocabulary, idioms, phrases. I'm not going to tell you to memorize all these things. Okay, I'm just going to tell you start speaking from today. Yes, just start speaking English from today. It is not important in the beginning that you are not making a right sentence. Got it? It is not important. Speaking is important. The important thing is you are making sentence by your own. And this is what matters. Okay? So don't think that I'm not making right sentence. I'm making mistake. Don't worry. I'm a beginner right now and I will improve my English. Okay, so this is how you will learn English, and it is actually a good way to improve your English, and you can speak that also. If you start making simple sentences, then you will get used to of it, and after some time you will make right sentence. Okay, so beginning is very important. So you should at least start. If you are learning so many grammar, you are spending your all the time in learning grammar, so when you will speak English, right, you are spending your all the time in learning grammar, memorizing vocabulary, watching all videos, then how you will improve your English, right? So for speaking English, first you will have to start speaking from today. Okay, just make simple sentence as much as you can. Just say that I'm going there tomorrow, like that. Anything you can speak, anything you can speak. Your day also, just speak about your day, random things. Just speak as much as you can. Speaking is very important. Just look around yourself and see that what is around me. I am standing here, I am walking here, I am sitting here, whatever. Like whatever you can speak, whatever you can see, just speak that in English, right? It is not a very big deal. You can see that what is around you, then just translate that yeah, right now I'm sitting and after a few time I will go outside for some work, right? So like that you will have to practice your English. Okay, so like I also do my speaking practice so much. Like right now also I'm speaking English, I'm making video for you all, so that my English will also improve, and my by watching and listening my videos your English will also improve. So like it is both things are happening together, right? And if you want to practice your English speaking, then watching is also important, listening is also important. Just listen and watch English as much as you can. Like I also watch English vlogs as well. English vlogs I watched so much because I think English vlogs helped so much. So I watched that so many times. In my channel also you will get some English vlogs. I have already posted that on my YouTube channel. So if you also want to improve your English through English vlogs, then you can see on my channel I have also posted some English vlogs. So you know what is the advantage, like what is the pros of watching English vlogs? I'll tell you. What is in the vlog? Just tell me first that what we see in the vlogs, like in vlog videos, that is someone's daily life, right? So if you want to describe your day, like yeah, this is what this is what my daily routine is, so you want to say that, then how you will speak? So like in English vlog you will see all those things. Like yeah, if I want to say this, then I will speak that in this way. So this is how English improves, by listening, by practicing, by speaking. Okay, so speak as much as you can, and try to listen English as well, because listening is also important. Sometimes we speak, but if someone asks you a question in English, then we were not able to understand that what is the exact word he's using, right? It happened to me so much, because when I was learning English, I just said my friends that yeah, ask me some questions so that I will become a bit of fluent in English. So they just asked me a question, and my mind goes blind, because I was not able to understand. Like if she want to say asthma, like asthma is a word, right? It is a word which we pronounce asthma, and she pronounced that asthma. I was thinking like, what is asthma? She said asthma. I was thinking, what is asthma? Yeah, because I have never heard that word. So that was a very difficult part for me to understand, and I was thinking about that word so much. And after so many times, she said that yeah, asthma it means asthma. Asthma is not a right pronunciation of that. Asthma is the pronunciation of that. Okay, so this is what happened to me, and I really want to not this happen to you. Okay, so pronunciation is also important, listening is also important. Listening skills, why I'm saying this, that if you want to ask something, if you want to answer something, then at least you should able to understand. Like we don't understand each and every word, so cause of that listening is very important. I have listened English so much, and right now I'm watching a movie also. Where is my home? This is a movie which I'm watching. I have watched half of that, and the half is pending. So yeah, this is a movie which I'm watching recently, and yeah, the story is good. So basically, I just want to say to watch as much as you can English, and if you have free time, then watch daily conversational videos. Like if you want to know that I want to conversate with someone, then how I will, then that conversational types of video will help you to understand that how to start a conversation, how to break the ice. Like if you know that, then you will get to know that yeah, if I'm around some people, then I just want to break the ice, then how I will. So yeah, with the help of that, you can start conversation. When you are alone, try to speak, try to describe your day, like yeah, this is how I spend my day. So this is also helped. If someone asks you that how was your day, then how you will describe that, right? So it is also very important. You should at least know how to describe your day. Okay, it is actually very important. So just try to speak, try to listen. That yeah, I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I took a bath. I had my breakfast. I go to college. After coming back to college, I had a lunch. Yeah, I had a lunch. After having lunch, I go to the job. I do my all the office work at the office place. After coming back to the office, I did some household chores, and I made dinner for my family. After that, I make videos for my YouTube. I edit all them video at night, and then I just sleep. Like this is how you will describe your day. It was a demo. Okay. So this is how you will describe your all day. Talk about today, talk about yesterday, talk about anything, talk about your dream, talk about your goal, talk about your friend that yeah, he did this to me and all. You can speak anything, but speaking is very important. Okay, so try to speak as much as you can because it is actually very important. And please don't spend your much time in grammar because you should not spend your all the time on grammar because speaking is important than grammar. Okay, so please try to spend your time in speaking practice because speaking practice is important, not rather than grammar. Okay, so don't spend your so much time on just learning grammar, memorizing vocabulary, memorizing words, phrases. Please don't do this. Spend your time in speaking practice if you have time and just do your speaking practice. Okay, because why we are learning English language to speak, and if we are just learning and we are not speaking, then why we are learning? Because we want to speak English, right? Then we just need to speak. And English is a language, it improves by practice and speaking, right? So spend your time as much as you can on speaking practice. I want you to do one thing. After watching this video, just take out 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. I'm not telling you to take out hours and 15 minutes. No, just take out 5 minutes and go to the place where you are comfortable. Okay. After going their place, just describe, just see that what is around you, like what is around me. Just describe that. And just say that in English. Yes. You go to your comfortable place, then just see that what is around me. I am sitting on a sofa. There is my cat besides me. I can see my cat. The cat is looking at me too. My mom is there. My mom is in kitchen. My mom is making food for us. My dad is sitting in the room. So like this. If you do practice like this, then your English will improve so fast because it's actually a great way to improve English. Okay, so do this after watching this video. Okay, and let me know in the comments you did that or not. You don't need speaking partner to improve your English. You have you, right? And you are enough for yourself to learn just the English language. Okay, and remember, don't wait for the perfect time because this is the perfect time which is right now is happening. Okay, so there is nothing like perfect time that I will learn on that day and all. No, you will learn from today and you will speak from today. So don't just say that I will learn from 2 days, I will learn after 2 to 3 days. No, you will learn from today and you will speak from today. If you want to improve your English, then subscribe to my channel and improve your English with my English videos, with my English vlogs every day. Okay guys, so it's time to say bye to you all. Okay, so yeah, this was our today's video. Do you like my English speaking practice vlog? Yes or not? Let me know in the comment because I really want to know that. I just want to make such a content which you all will like to watch, and you just want me to do that. So let me know in the comments that what you would like to watch, what type of English videos you want to watch. Okay, so let me know in the comments that first. And yeah, this was our English vlog. Let me know in the comments, do you like this or not? Okay, so yeah, see you in our next. Till then, bye.